Hi folks, welcome to the kitchen. In this video I'm going to be making a steak and smoked kidney pie. Yes, that's right, smoked kidney. Let me show you how I do it. Smoked kidneys? Who's ever heard of smoked kidneys?
Whatever, who cares? It's going to be lovely. Right, first thing we do is dice up these kidneys and get them onto the rack. And there's 4 kidneys. In goes some whiskey oak chip, about 2 tablespoons. On goes the rack. And I'm using the Cameron stovetop smoker. Close the lid. And we're using an outdoor stove so that we don't stink up the kitchen. And we're going to have this on a full heat, and we're going to set the timer for 5 minutes, and away we go. And we're only going to smoke these kidneys for a very short time. We really don't want to overcook them. That would be a crime. Once the 5 minutes is up, we're going to take this off the heat, open the lid, and you can see that those kidneys are still a little bit pink, which is just perfect. Now we're going to harvest some fresh thyme and bay leaves from the garden. We're also going to keep the juice from those kidneys. And we have 500 grams of stewing steak without the sinew or the fat. And I'm now dicing very finely 1 large white onion and also 5 button mushrooms. So to recap our ingredients, we have our 4 smoked lamb's kidneys, we have 500 grams of our stewing steak defatted and sinewed, fresh thyme and bay leaf, we have our plain flour, salt and pepper, we have the juice from the kidneys, we have 1 large white onion finely diced, 5 mushrooms finely diced, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, half a packet of puff pastry and half a beef stock cube. Into the pan goes a knob of butter, and when it's melted, in goes the steak.
God, I wish this was smell-o-vision. It's lovely.
Once that's done, a little bit more butter in the pan, and we'll get the onions fried. We want these to be nice and golden, and into our pie dish goes our stewing steak. To that we're going to add the onions, and we'll mix all this ingredients together. Add our herbs and bay leaf. We're adding 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce to our base gravy. In go the kidneys, and you can see they're really nice and pink, and we'll mix those in nicely. On go the mushrooms. On goes our base gravy together with our half a stock cube, and we'll mix that all in. Now we're going to roll out our pastry, and this is half a packet of puff pastry. And we'll use a little bit of that flour on the table just so that the pastry doesn't stick. Making an egg wash to just go around the lip of the pie tin to help that pastry stick. On goes the pastry. Crimp. Trim. And that's ready for the oven after we've pierced the holes in it. And of course, a little bit of egg wash on the top. Into the oven, preheated to 200 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes, and hey presto, it's done. Now, let's see what it's like.
Right. So there goes nothing. The best way of doing this is pastry to one side and then get this out onto the plate. Oh my goodness me. That looks amazing. Lovely. Right, let me try a piece. Let me try a piece. Oh my goodness. That is absolutely delicious. What's the pastry like? Oh, love. Oh, that is amazing. Very nice. Oh wow. You can really taste that smokiness coming through in those kidneys. I didn't think that that would be as pronounced as it is. Well, that is, as far as I'm concerned, a bit of a success. Hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button. Do give us a subscribe if you think you got something from it and you want to see more content like this. And until next time, take care. See you soon. Bye.